Hello, my name is John Crandall, and I'd like to welcome you to my introduction on the removal of all dams on the Conewango Creek between the New York-Pennsylvania state line and the Allegheny River, 14.1 miles long. This section of the Conewango is particularly significant to me because I used to live on the creek, just a few miles north of the Sunray Dam. Around the time of selling my waterfront house and property, it was already in the works to remove the first two of three dams, the Conewango Dam and Carter's Dam. They are located close together in the city of Warren, Pennsylvania. They are low-head dams and were removed in September of 2009. The third dam, Sunray Dam, was a low-head dam as well, and it supplied the hospital in North Warren with water, and it was removed in late August of 2014. The previous two dams were used for mill and industrial. The removal of these three dams in Pennsylvania opened up the entire 71-mile length of the Conewango up into western New York. The basin is just shy of 900 square miles. This allowed for two native fish to once again spawn. They were and are the burbot, also known as lota lota, and it's the only freshwater cod species. It looks kind of like a mix between a catfish and an eel. The other, the American paddlefish, Polyodon spathula, is generally found in the South Mississippi River system. However, since 1998, there has been the reintroduction of nearly 15,000 paddlefish in the Conewango system. While the burbot is conservationally of least concern, the paddlefish is still listed as vulnerable and thus protected. Both species were eradicated or seem to be eradicated in both western New York and Pennsylvania due to dams, pollution, and habitat degradation. Dam removal has also benefited 19 species of native freshwater mussels and a rich biodiversity of aviaries, river otters, and other animals. The takeaway is that it isn't just large dams that interrupt spawning of fish. Even low-head dams that are only a few feet tall can have catastrophic effects on fish populations. For further information, you can check out my references. And I would like to thank you for your time, and go treat yourself just by going outside to enjoy nature. Thank you.